Welcome to Century Racing. This is where the magic happens. Over here we've got race prep, the bay 1 to 4, where we prep all the race cars that are currently doing racing and that sort of thing. On the following side we do all the new cars. Then here's my car getting a complete refresh after the race, getting a new engine. And here we've got fabrication. This is where the chassis get built. So the chassis gets built on these jig tables from start to finish. The wishbones as well, like here you've got a wishbone. The suspension part being jigged up all from sheet metal, and take you around this side. We've got Tyler's room, after you. Tyler's in sub-assembly. So sub-assembly is engines and uprights, gearboxes, that sort of thing. Get prepared either for service or for new cars. See Tyler's busy on remanning an old engine here, getting it ready for the battlefield again. Over here you got some new uprights ready to go on some new builds. So all these suspension parts basically that you see here, almost everything is made in South Africa. If you go through here, this is our suspension room. It's a little bit messy at the moment, but we do a lot of damper rebuilds and suspension building over here. This is our storeroom, and then all the local parts that get machined and made are put into place with their part numbers here into the correct box after they've gone through quality control. And then on the other side, not forget upstairs where all the magic happens, where the designers sit and the engineers sit. They the ones that think through every single part and design such a really good car. You know, all the designing is done in-house. Okay, over here we've got where all the bodywork's made. So essentially this is how the bodywork starts. Comes in a roll of carbon fiber. It's just a sheet of fiber, different thicknesses, different weaves. Get cut and nested over here, and then good. So here's a typical part being laid out for vacuum infusion. So what you've seen there in the rolls of fiber have now been laid out in the mold, and it'll be vacuum infused with the resin going from one part of the mold to the other. So these pipes here, the resin gets pulled in, and then it gets pulled right through the mold to the other pipe on this side, and the end product is this whole bag and everything sucked in with the resin pulled through the part. Essentially, the next step would look like this, where that plastic bag and everything gets taken off, and you've got your bodywork sort of looking like this, and then this then gets trimmed down, and you end up with a lot of body parts. Here you can see there's a roof, fan cowling, spare wheel doors, and essentially all the bodywork for the CR7 done in-house. Show you where the clever people sit. Here's one of the design offices. We've got Donovan on Motec doing all the data and programming on the cars. We've got Nadia doing stock control, managing all 5,000 parts of the car. And the guys busy preparing our planning for Dakar and drawings of our setup for Dakar, our service trucks and that sort of thing. Random collection of trophies from different races throughout the time. Century Racing's been going for a long time, so some of them have got a lot of stories to them. But yeah, so it's I think Century Racing is close over 20 years of racing now already. Yeah. I'm Brian Berg, factory driver for Century Racing. Thanks for watching.